Hello. Today we're going to configure intrusion prevention in Cloud Firewall of Huawei Cloud to protect elastic IP addresses, or EIPs. Application scenarios. You can use CFW to protect your EIPs. After EIP protection is enabled, select an intrusion prevention mode and modify protection actions based on the rule hits recorded in logs. This video demonstrates how to set a proper intrusion prevention mode to protect EIPs from attacks. Procedure. First, enable EIP protection. Second, select an intrusion prevention mode. Here we select the observation mode as an example. Third, after CFW runs for a period of time, check its logs and see if any traffic is mistakenly blocked. Fourth, modify protection actions based on the logs. Fifth, change the intrusion prevention mode. Last, view protection logs. Log in to the Management Console. Choose Security and Compliance, Cloud Firewall. The Cloud Firewall page is displayed. Choose Assets, EIPs. The EIP page is displayed. Select an EIP and enable protection. Traffic will pass through CFW. Choose Attack Defense Intrusion Prevention. Select a protection mode as needed. Here we select the observation mode as an example. This is the default mode of a CFW instance. In observation mode, CFW records detected attack events in logs. You can let intrusion prevention run for a period of time and view the logs. Choose Log Audit, Log Query. Click the Attack Event Logs tab to view protection details. Assume you find some normal traffic mistakenly blocked by the rule with the ID 331978. To avoid impacts on services, you need to set the rule action to observe rather than intercept. Choose Intrusion Prevention and click View Effective Rule. Search for the rule ID 331978 in the IPS rule library. The rule belongs to the loose defense group. If the intercept mode, loose, moderate, or strict, is selected for protection mode, the rule will take effect, blocking traffic and recording it in logs. In this case, we need to set the rule action to observe, so that the rule will allow and record traffic in logs. Now your rule will not block normal traffic. Let's set protection mode to intercept mode, moderate. You can also select the strict mode if your services need stronger protection. Now the default action of rule 331978 is intercept, and the current action is observe. Now the configuration is complete. You can periodically view protection records in attack event logs. Rule 331978 allows traffic, and other rules still block suspicious events.